afternoon, good evening, whatever part in the world you are, welcome back. It's Cook and Inspire, back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. And today I'll be doing some Jamaican rice and peas. And I'll show you all step by step how I do my rice and peas. Right? So after this, come back and see. Right, so to cook your rice and peas, this is the ingredients you're gonna need. First of all, the first ingredients you're gonna need kidney beans. You can choose your beans, what you wanted to use. I use kidney beans for now. So make sure you wash your kidney beans and put them in around 6 cups of water, to boil. So this is what I put in my water when it's boiling with my peas. I've used ginger, in my rice and peas. I've used some garlic, some fresh garlic. I'll be using some pimento seeds. I'll be using fresh thyme, scallions, and I've got scotch bonnet pepper. And you're gonna need your coconut milk. Yeah, this is one of your main ingredients for your rice and peas. You're gonna use you can use fresh coconut, you can grate it, but you can also use the thin one also if you can't get fresh coconuts. Yeah, so over here now I've already pre-prepared my peas and already boiled, because you know that peas, it took some time to boil, so that's been boiling for a while, and for time consuming, I've already prepared that. So all my peas already boiled, my coconut is in there boiling. I'll show you what's happening there. My peas is nearly done. Look, it's really soft, so it's done. So I'm gonna go in with my scallions. Yeah, fresh scallions in there. Let that cook down for a while. Your rice and peas. Your fresh thyme in there. I won't be putting my garlics now because garlics and ginger are already in there. I'll be going with my scotch bonnet pepper. You're gonna use that pepper to flavor the pot. You get a nice flavor from that one. And here we have some pimento grains, Put them in there, let that cook up for a while. And basically, it's already cooked already. And this is the rice. I've used about 6 cups of rice to do my rice and peas. So I'll let my scallion cook down for a little while, and then I'll come back and show you when I put my rice into my pot. Okay? Catch you on the next one. Yes, so here we are again. So I'll be spicing up my pot with some seasoning. So I tasted it and it needs a bit of salt, so I'm going with some salt. About half a tablespoon of salt. You gotta go easy on the salt as well. I'll be going with my Maggi. Also, spice up that. Get Maggi in on that one. Right. And this is one of my ingredients I use to cook my rice and peas. I use some sugar. I use 2 teaspoons of sugar in there. I'll give it a nice flavor to it. If you haven't tried sugar in your cooking your rice and peas, just put 2 teaspoons of sugar in there and you'll taste a big difference when your rice and peas finish cooked. Yeah, so just let that cook up for a little while. Yeah. And I'll come back and I'll show you when I'm gonna put my rice in the pot. Let me taste that. Don't try this at home. That tastes good. You can taste the coconut and everything in there. Just in another one. Back again. Now my rice is ready to go into my rice and peas. So here we are. I've got 6 cups of rice. You can see all that nice custardy on top of the peas. That's from the coconut. I've used fresh coconut, just to let you know. Yeah, so I'll be going with my rice now. 6 cups of rice. Yeah. 6 cups of rice. in there. So when you put the rice in, just use a fork and just give it a little stir. Get all that peas and rice incorporated together. Okay, so when my rice is simmering down, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So here we are with our rice nearly done, and you might look and see this plastic over my rice. This is one of my trick that I use to get a nice shelly rice. You know when you see all those grain, because we don't do sticky rice around here when rice clump up together. We love when our rice is shelly. Yeah, so I've covered it with some cling film, just to keep that steam in, so you don't have to keep pouring water if your rice dried out. So what this plastic does is it's trap all that steam inside of it. Yeah, so I'll give it another like 10 minutes and I'll come back and show you what I'm talking about. Yes, 10 minutes. Yeah, so here we are again. This is what my rice looks like, nice and shelly. So it's basically finished cooked now. As you can see how shelly that is. Look at that. Yeah, so when I'll plate up, it's more likely finished now, so I'll plate up and come back and show you the finished presentation. Okay. Yes, here we are. Our rice and peas. As you see, I'll take you step by step how I do my rice and peas. Look how yummy that looks. Rice is well shelly and everything. So here it is. Our rice and peas well presented to you. You can have this with anything. You can have it with brown stew, chicken, curry goat, anything you want to have it with. It's our rice and peas, Jamaican thing. Yeah. It won't be a Sunday without rice and peas in Jamaica. It's our thing. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this video. Yeah, don't pass. Give me a thumbs up, please. Yeah, and big shout out to all these loyal supporters of Cook and Inspire. Here we are in the kitchen. Look at that. How lovely that is. How lovely that is. Yeah. So next time, just leave a comment in the comment section what you want me to cook, and I just do that for you. Yeah, drop your favorite dish you want to see. I'll be having our mackerel rundown coming very soon. Many people are requesting that. Our stew peas is coming very soon as well. Our oxtail is coming very soon as well. Yeah. So continue to support, continue to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. So whenever we drop a new video, you will automatically get your notification. You won't miss that video. Yeah. Until next time, it's Chef Garnet out the kitchen, out and over. Until next time. Yeah. So here we have it. Our rice and peas and brown stew chicken. I've served them together. This is what I've prepared, and as you can see, it's well presented.